Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and welcome in AdobeSign review. AdobeSign review, in this video I'm going to talk to you about like the pricing plan that it offers for teams and for individuals. Then I'm going to talk to you about like advantages and disadvantages, and then also what kind of like e-signature offers it has, what kind of tools you can get. And also what I'm going to talk to you about are alternatives. So when you're going to enter Adobe, you're going to have a few options here for eSign pricing plan. First thing first, you can have the individual, and you can have the annually prepaid, annual paid monthly, and monthly. So let's say monthly it's $23, and in here you would have tools to convert, edit, eSign, and protect PDFs. So we would have it all here for Acrobat Standard, and you can easily sign documents, plus collect and track unlimited signatures, edit and convert PDFs, business stamp, prepare forms, customize languages, collect e-signatures from websites. You can do it only in the Acrobat Pro. Collect payment with Braintree, advanced forms, send in bulk, require password. So what is really good here is that even when you would use Acrobat Standard, you can have a lot of things that you can do here. Comparing to other alternatives to AdobeSign, in Acrobat Standard, you would have also protect PDFs, convert and edit. So even when you would use the Acrobat Pro on a monthly version, you can have a lot of stuff too here. So that's good. Now, when I go further, you can have it for individuals, and then you have option to have it for teams, for Acrobat Standard for teams, or again for Pro. And you have only option to have annual here. And that's a bummer a little bit that you can't like try it out monthly, but it is what it is. Now, what are some, like the pricing plan is okay. It's on a higher pricing range comparing to alternatives. But again, it can be beneficial. Now, when you want to use AdobeSign or a different competitor, you're not going to make a mistake. I really believe that most of these applications are really good. So here, e-signatures, you can have a lot of stuff here. Now, what are some like negative sides of the AdobeSign? The one thing is user experience. Then the second thing is that once you sign the document, it's hard to change anything. A mobile application support for Adobe Sign is not that great, so that's something to think about. And then integration with Salesforce is limited. So these are the four negative sides, things that I saw about Adobe if you want to use it. But of course, I really believe that if you're gonna go this way, you're not going to make a mistake. Of course, there are alternatives, like what you can use, like PandaDoc. Then you can use also HelloSign. PandaDoc also offers you a free account. Then you're gonna find a DocuSign, and then you get also a Sign Now. So these are all the alternatives that you can use, and then you can try if you want to. So that's what I would tell you. Now again, AdobeSign, what I like about this complexity and also how many things you can do here. But again, if you want to use the mobile app, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you're going to have a great day. This was an AdobeSign review, or if you should use it or if you shouldn't use it. The plans and pricing are kind of okay. And you see right here that you can choose between individuals and teams. But for the teams, you have it for annual version. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.